Hi there, students. Triage. Triage can either be a verb or an uncountable noun. Okay, to triage, to classify according to quality. But basically triage is a medical word. It talks about the allocation of resources to patients. To triage, to assign a degree of urgency to patients waiting for treatment. So you put patients in different categories based on who will benefit most from the available treatment. Now, if there are not enough medical personnel or there's not enough infrastructure, some people are going to have to wait. I think triage comes originally from the battlefield, where you have huge numbers of injured. And I think the different categories are urgent, needs attention now. Second one, can wait but needs attention. And then the third one, this person is very unlikely to survive, so do not waste resources on this person because the resources are better used on other people. Okay, well, that's triage. It's quite a crude, quite a nasty thing, but it's the way it is. Yeah? Urgent, needs attention now or he's going to die very soon, unless they get attention. 2, can wait for attention. 3, very unlikely to survive, so do not treat. You can use this word triage outside of the medical profession. Triage, the allocation of a scarce commodity or resource to the people who will get the greatest benefit from it. So there's a very small amount of this resource. Who are we going to give it to? Well, we need to give it to the people who will get greatest benefit, greatest good from it. And that's triage, yeah? Deciding who's going to get what according to a classification system. And then I found quite a nice quote by a lady called Jill Smollow, which says, the triage between work and home that leaves us feeling guilty, exhausted and angry. So the triage between work and home. We need money to live and we need to be with our families, but one against the other, our time is limited. So let's see. Triage, the origin of this comes from a French word trier, to separate. I think it's to do with agriculture and separating seeds or something like that. Now, the next question, formality. I would not use the word triage in an informal conversation in the pub. Classify according to need, to sort in a logical way. Triage something semi-formal or something very formal, yeah? So, to triage, to classify the needs of people, particularly medical patients, as in who will receive the greatest benefit and who will not. So there we go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Triage.